Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher upper dish rack front guard. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack front guard. The upper dish rack front guard prevents the dispenser door from getting jammed. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and it's not opening properly and your dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the upper dish rack out. So we have access to the upper dish rack front guard. It's right here in the front. Just unclips from the rack right here and then pull it off the tine right there. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old upper dish rack front guard next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new front guard on, you just want to hook it onto the tine row and then snap it on. Once you have it clipped on, you can push the upper dish rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.